Um, hey guys, it's Spinell's Vengeance with a video. Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous about this. But yesterday we went to the library and I rented a Warrior Cat book. Yeah, it's called The Warriors. Here, so you can see it. Yeah, the book is by Aaron Hunter, as you can see. It's a cool cover. It has Firestar right there. Think. Yeah, the new prophecy is right there. Midnight. Here's the side of it. Has Firestar again. Warriors. It's book number 1. Yeah, I don't know why that number. Okay, here's the back. I'll read the back for you guys. Darkness, air, water, and sky will come together and shake the forest to its roots. Okay, here's more of it at the back. The wildcat clans have lived in peace and harmony for many moons, but now strange messages from their warrior ancestors speak of terrifying new prophecies and a mysterious danger. All the signs point to young warrior Brambleclaw as the warrior with the fate of the forest in his paws. But who are the other cats mentioned in the prophecy? All he knows for sure is that the strength and courage of the greatest warriors will be needed now as the quest to save the clans begins. So it's a very interesting series of books. Yeah. It says the warrior cat names in here. Let me flip to it. Oh, whoops. Oh, here's ThunderClan. Yeah. So we got Firestar, Graystripe, Cinderpelt, Apprentice, Leafpaw. That's Leafpool. If you guys, yeah. Mousefur, Apprentice Spiderpaw. That's Spiderleg. Dustpelt, Apprentice Squirrelpaw. That's Squirrelflight. Sandstorm, Sorrelpaw. That's either Sorrowtail or Sorrowstripe. Cloudtail, Brackenfur, Whitepaw. That's Whitewing. Thornclaw. Shrewpaw. I think he died as that name. I don't know. Brightheart, Brumbleclaw, Ashfur, Rainwhisker, Sootfur, and here's the princesses' names I said already. Oh, wait, here's the queens, which are the mothers of the clan, I guess. Goldenflower, Ferncloud, Frostfur, Dappletail, Speckletail, and Longtail. Those are my favorite warrior cats. This is my favorite clan, basically, because it's the first clan I ever known about them. Okay, moving on to the next clan, which should be Shadow Clan. Blackstar, Russet Fur. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong sometimes. Little Cloud, Oak Fur, Smoke Paw. I don't know his warrior cat name. Tawny Pelt, Cedar Heart, Rowan Claw, Talon Paw, Tall Poppy, Running Nose. And here's Wind Clan. Tall Star, Mudclaw, Crow Paw, that's gotta be Crow Feather there. Barkface, One Whisker, Webfoot, Tornir, Whitetail, Morning Flower. Here's River Clan. Leopard Star, Mistyfoot, Mudfur, Prentice Mothwing, which is, yeah, it's Mothpaw, but yeah, I don't know how this goes, but okay. Blackclaw, I think that says Blackclaw, right? Yeah. Heavy Step, Stormfur, Feathertail, Hawkfrost, oh gosh, and Moss Pelt. That's one of the evil cats right there. He's in this series. His sister is Mothwing. Yeah, right there. Beautiful golden tabby she-cat with amber eyes. And here's the clan's names and the land and more of the land. Yeah. Yeah. And it starts with the prologue. I can't wait to read it. Night by... Yeah, I can... Night lay. Yeah, I meant that. I'm looking on the camera, that's why I can't see that well. Oh yeah. So I don't know how many chapters are in here. I'm gonna have to flip to the end. But yeah, there you go, guys. Yeah, it's pretty good. I only read 7 books of it. This is gonna be my 8th book. Yeah, this is the 2nd series, too. The New Prophecy. I also have a list right here of, like, the Warrior Cat books. Series 1 through 8. There's about 8 series. And novellas, mangas, and the field guides. So Hollyleaf will be in this series. As you guys know, I did some Hollyleaf edits. And sorry I'm messing up my words, I'm just a little nervous. Yeah, I make Spinel edits too. Spinel's gang, you guys know. Yeah. Anyways, that's it. There's 8 series, and yeah, and mangas and novellas and field guides. I guess I can repeat that. Yeah, I read all this because I checked it out. I marked it anyways. Yeah, those books are good right there. It took me all summer to read it. Yeah, I did the reading summer thing, whatever it's called, reading for the summer. Yeah, how many hours I read, and I kept track of the time on my alarm clock anyways. Looking on there. So I'm on Midnight, which is this book. Moonrise is next, then Dawn, then Starlight, then Twilight, and then Sunset. And then The Power of Three. I'm so excited for this one. I said series at the side of this series. I think it has soul in that book cause soul. Yeah, I don't really know the whole story of it, but he caused the eclipse or something to happen, and Leafpool was in this one too, and Soul is one of the evil cats too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, peace out, bye.